In EV news today, Tesla's best-selling crossover, the Model Y, is expected to stay at the center of the company's lineup heading into 2026. Whether you're a new buyer or already on the waitlist, getting the most from this all-electric SUV isn't just about range and acceleration. It comes down to how you set it up, how you charge it, and how you live with it day to day. We've compiled 50 must-know tips for the 2026 Model Y, distilled from current owner experience and Tesla's existing feature set. Presented in a quick-hit format, this is everything you should know before and after delivery. Tip number 1, treat delivery day like a mini inspection. Before you tap Accept Delivery in the Tesla app, walk around the car carefully. Check for paint defects, panel gaps, windshield and glass chips, rubber seals, and interior scuffs. Flag any issues on the spot. Tip number 2, create driver profiles as soon as you sit down. Save your seat, mirrors, steering wheel position, and driving preferences under your name, so the car automatically adjusts whenever you get in with your key or phone. Tip number 3, make your smartphone your primary key. Pair it through the Tesla app and verify that the car unlocks as you approach and locks when you walk away. Keep a key card in your wallet as a backup, but expect to rarely use it. Tip number 4, set a smart charging limit from day one. For daily driving, keep the charge limit around 80 to 90%. Only push to 100% right before longer road trips, and don't let it sit at full charge for hours if you can avoid it. Tip number 5, program your home and work locations in the navigation system. This helps with route planning, energy estimates, and allows features like scheduled departure and smart climate preconditioning to work more intelligently in the background. Charging strategy is where many owners win or lose on convenience. Tip number 6, always navigate to a supercharger from the in-car map before you arrive. The car will precondition the battery en route, warming or cooling it for faster DC charging and shorter stops. Tip number 7, plan to reach superchargers with a relatively low state of charge, typically around 10 to 20%. The lower your battery is when you plug in, the faster the initial charging speeds and the less time you'll spend parked. Tip number 8, use scheduled departure at home. Set the time you usually leave in the morning, and the car will time charging so it finishes just before you go, while also preconditioning the cabin and battery. That's better for comfort, performance, and efficiency. Tip number 9, whenever possible, rely on level 2 home charging instead of frequent fast charging. A 240-volt home charger that tops you up slowly overnight is not only more convenient, it's also easier on the battery than constant rapid charging on long trips. Tip number 10, on road trips, watch the charging curve, not just the percentage. Above roughly 60 to 70%, charge speeds drop off quickly. Often it's faster overall to unplug around 2/3 full and drive to the next charger than to wait for 90 or 100%. On the road, driving settings can make a big difference. Tip number 11, switch to chill mode if you want smoother, more efficient driving. The car will still feel quick, but the softer acceleration makes it easier to control and less energy-hungry in city traffic. Tip number 12, enable hold in stopping mode and learn true one-pedal driving. With hold, lifting off the accelerator uses regenerative braking to slow you all the way to a stop, reducing wear on your physical brakes and recapturing more energy. Tip number 13, learn exactly how to activate and deactivate Tesla's driver assistance features. Know how to turn on traffic-aware cruise control, how to engage Autopilot, and crucially, how to instantly disengage with a tap of the brake or a firm hand on the wheel. Tip number 14, remember that Autopilot is advanced driver assistance, not a self-driving chauffeur. Keep your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and be prepared to take over at any moment. Think of it as a very smart cruise control, not a replacement driver. Tip number 15, limit advanced automated features like Navigate on Autopilot to controlled access highways. That's where they're designed to work best, with predictable lane markings and fewer variables than busy city streets or complex urban intersections. The center screen is the Model Y's control hub, and using it efficiently matters. Tip number 16, master the steering wheel scroll wheels. The left wheel handles volume, media, and call controls. The right wheel changes cruise speed, following distance, and can be customized for common tasks like controlling climate or adjusting display brightness. Tip number 17, rely on voice commands more than menus. A quick press of the microphone button or right scroll wheel lets you say things like set temperature to 70, navigate to nearest supercharger, or call home without taking your eyes off the road. Tip number 18, customize your on-screen quick controls. Pin your most used functions, such as defrost, heated seats, wipers, or the rearview camera, to the bottom bar so you're not digging through menus when you only have a second to react. Tip number 19, remember the wiper shortcut on the stalk. A quick press triggers a single wipe and pulls up the wiper settings on the screen, so you can adjust speed and sensitivity without diving into deeper menus in bad weather. Tip number 20, keep the camera view handy while driving. Tapping the camera icon brings up the rear camera and side repeaters, giving you a wider view during lane changes, tight parking, or backing out of driveways with limited visibility. Comfort and convenience features can turn daily driving into something closer to business class travel. Tip number 21, enable automatic seat and steering wheel heaters. The car can manage heating levels based on cabin temperature, keeping you comfortable while using less energy than blasting the full HVAC system. Tip number 22, use the Tesla app to precondition the cabin before you even open the door. Whether it's a freezing winter morning or a hot summer afternoon, starting climate control while the car is still plugged in saves battery and improves comfort from the first mile. Tip number 23, know when to use dog mode and when not to. Dog mode keeps the cabin at a safe temperature when you leave pets inside and displays a message on the screen reassuring bystanders. It's for animals, short stops, and reasonable weather, not for leaving people unattended. Tip number 24, take advantage of camp mode if you ever sleep in the car. Camp mode maintains climate, keeps outlets and USB ports powered, and minimizes unnecessary power use, effectively turning the Model Y into a quiet, climate-controlled microcamper for the night. Tip number 25, customize the power trunk's opening height. In a low garage or under a carport, set the hatch to your ideal maximum height and save it. The car will remember that position and avoid hitting ceilings or overhead doors. Security and safety are baked into the Tesla ecosystem, but they're not automatic. Tip number 26, use Sentry mode strategically. It records surroundings using the car's cameras when parked, which can deter theft or vandalism, but it also consumes energy. Many owners disable it at home or at work to reduce battery drain. Tip number 27, enable PIN to drive for an extra layer of security. Even if someone gets access to your key card or phone, they can't drive the car without entering a 4-digit code on the screen, adding a meaningful barrier against theft. Tip number 28, double-check that automatic emergency braking and forward collision warnings are enabled in the safety settings. These standard features can provide crucial extra reaction time and help prevent or mitigate accidents in real-world conditions. Tip number 29, use the combination of mirrors, blind spot visualization, and cameras to monitor surrounding traffic. The on-screen visualization can show vehicles, lane lines, and obstacles, but it should supplement, not replace, old-fashioned shoulder checks. Tip number 30, learn how to open the doors manually in case of a power failure. In the front seats, a traditional mechanical lever near the window switch will release the door. Show regular passengers where it is, so they're not trapped if the electronics ever misbehave. The Tesla app essentially turns your phone into a remote control for your vehicle. Tip number 31, treat the app as a full-featured key fob. Lock and unlock doors, open the trunk, flash the lights, or honk the horn all from your phone, which is particularly helpful in big parking lots. Tip number 32, use the app's map to locate your car. If you've forgotten which level you parked on or where you left it at a concert venue, the live location feature can lead you straight to your Model Y. Tip number 33, send destinations from your phone directly to the car. From Apple Maps, Google Maps, or other navigation apps, share an address to the Tesla app. By the time you sit down, the Model Y can already have the route pulled up on screen. Tip number 34, schedule service appointments entirely through the app. Describe the issue, attach photos or short videos, and often Tesla's mobile service can come to your home or office for minor repairs, saving a trip to the service center. Tip number 35, monitor charging sessions and costs through the app. You can see real-time charge speed, estimated completion time, and start or stop charging remotely, letting you optimize around time of use electricity rates where they apply. Efficiency and battery health are central concerns for any EV owner. Tip number 36. Adopt a smooth driving style that anticipates traffic. Gentle acceleration and early regenerative braking can easily boost effective range by 10 to 20% compared with hard driving. Tip number 37. Be aware of how much speed matters on the highway. Aerodynamic drag rises quickly above about 70 miles or 110 kilometers per hour. Dropping just 5 to 10 miles per hour can meaningfully extend your range and reduce how often you need to stop. Tip number 38. Use climate control intelligently. Rely on auto mode at moderate temperatures and lean on seat and steering wheel heaters instead of cranking cabin heat. Heating people, not air, is generally more energy efficient. Tip number 39. Don't obsess over perfection in battery charging patterns, but aim for good habits. Regular daily use between roughly 20 and 80% state of charge is ideal. Occasionally going lower or higher won't ruin the battery, but it shouldn't be your routine. Tip number 40. Treat the displayed range as an estimate, not a guaranteed promise. Real-world range depends heavily on temperature, terrain, speed, wind, and load. When planning trips, especially in extreme weather, build in a buffer instead of driving it down to the last percent. Cold and hot weather both demand special strategies for EV owners. Tip number 41. In winter, precondition the car while it's still plugged in. This warms the battery and the cabin before you leave, improving regenerative braking, performance, and initial range. Tip number 42. Before major snow or ice storms, enable wiper service mode and lift the blades off the glass if possible. This reduces the chance of wipers freezing to the windshield and straining the motors when you start the car. Tip number 43. Make frequent use of the app's defrost function. Start it 10 to 20 minutes before departure in icy conditions, and the car can melt snow and ice off the glass and mirrors with no scraping, using grid power if you're plugged in. Tip number 44. In hot climates, turn on cabin overheat protection. This feature prevents the interior from reaching dangerously high temperatures when parked, offering not just comfort for you, but also additional safety if you have children or pets around the vehicle. Tip number 45. Understand that winter range loss, often 20 to 30%, is normal for all EVs. Plan for shorter legs between chargers, leave with a higher state of charge when it's very cold, and don't interpret seasonal drops as sudden battery degradation. Long-term ownership is where thoughtful habits really pay off. Tip number 46. Rotate your tires regularly, typically every 6 to 10,000 miles, or about 10 to 15,000 kilometers. The instant torque of an EV can accelerate tire wear if you neglect rotations and alignment checks. Tip number 47. Remember that although Tesla advertises low maintenance, low doesn't mean none. Periodically inspect wiper blades, washer fluid, cabin air filters, and brake pads. Regenerative braking reduces wear, but rust or uneven use can still cause issues over time. Tip number 48. Learn the steering wheel button reset for minor glitches. If the main screen freezes or acts oddly, pressing and holding both scroll wheels until the display reboots will often resolve software hiccups without affecting your ability to drive. Tip number 49. Install software updates at times that won't disrupt your day. New versions can bring useful features and improvements, but they also take the car offline for several minutes and occasionally change interface layouts. Schedule them for overnight or when you don't urgently need the vehicle. Tip number 50. Document everything for future resale or trade-in. Keep a log of service records, tire changes, and major software or hardware updates. Regular interior cleaning and a strict no-smoking policy in the cabin help preserve value, especially as used EV buyers become more informed. As Tesla's Model Y continues into 2026, owners will face more choices than ever in how they charge, drive, and maintain their vehicles. These 50 tips form a practical playbook. Inspect carefully at delivery, charge intelligently, drive with awareness, use the software tools at your disposal, and think long-term about battery health and resale. For EV drivers navigating this rapidly evolving landscape, that combination of knowledge and habit is what turns a high-tech vehicle into a truly smart daily companion.